Coronavirus is ravaging Russia. These gravediggers in protective gear buried COVID victims in St. Petersburg. An entire hospital in the city is now only treating healthcare workers who got sick on the job. 230 are patients, most of them doctors, said the announcer on state TV, underscoring frequent complaints that the lack of protective gear and a chaotic system is taking a crushing toll.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Косякин Александр Александрович.
The man on the left is Dr. Alexander Shulipov from the city of Voronezh.
Главный врач заставляет работать.
He tested positive for coronavirus, said his colleague, but the head doctor forced us to keep working. Shulipov later retracted the criticism in another video, but just 3 days later, he fell out of a hospital window. He survived, but fractured his skull. That makes him the third Russian doctor to fall out of a window in 8 days. Elena Nepomunashkaya, a doctor from Siberia, and Natalia Lebedeva from Russia's Space Training Center were both killed in falls. What raises suspicions is that there's a long list of government critics who've also died after accidentally falling from windows.
They should say their bosses that everything is good.
Dr. Anastasia Vasileva runs an opposition-supported union for medical workers. She's been arrested for her activities, so she's hardly a friend of the government. But with the system overwhelmed, she says the doctors may have been driven to suicide.
It is the blame of system, of the destruction of health system in Russia.
Moscow's mayor today extended the lockdown to the end of the month as he visited a soon-to-open hospital, warning the pandemic is still spreading. Chris Brown, CBC News, Vancouver.